All right, everybody, today's Savage Anywhere workout is a quick hitter. This should take you no more than 15 minutes. And all we're doing is my favorite movement, the full squat clean, okay? So we're doing full squat cleans. Use what you got. If you got a barbell and you want to use that, great. If you have a dumbbell, use that. If all you have is a backpack, load up your backpack with weight and use that. Use a sandbag. You can clean pretty much anything. Anything you can bring up to shoulder level, you can clean. So we're gonna be doing the full squat cleans. Every 15 reps, you're gonna do a 50-foot out and back wind sprint. And we're going to 150 reps total. So I have here, I've got my GoRuck rucksack. Okay, I've got this loaded with 45 pounds. It's a great thing to use. Cinch up all the straps so they're not flying around and swinging and hitting you in the face while you're doing it. And then I also have a 45-pound sandbag. Either of these two items would be a great thing to use for this workout. So I'm gonna demonstrate with the rucksack. This one happens to have handles on both sides. That makes it nice. You don't necessarily have to have that. But what you do is you start from the ground. Nice flat back. You don't want to round it back when you're lifting it. You want to keep the weight as close to your body as you can on the way up, and then drop under the weight. So it might look something like this. Doing 150 of those. Here's what it looks like with a sandbag. Okay, so that's the full squat clean with the ruck and with a sandbag. Once you hit 15 reps, every 15 reps, you're sprinting out to your marker and back and getting going. Score is your time, so you want to shoot for as fast of a time as possible. I have 45 pounds loaded in there, which isn't that heavy for me, but with 45 pounds, I should be going pretty fast. So use the weight that challenges you, that makes you feel the most comfortable, but something where you can keep moving. You don't want to take a lot of breaks on this one. Okay, see you guys out there.